Good. Heck yeah. What's up, everybody? Down here in San Diego. Got some fishing coming up. Got a few days I'm gonna get out. Actually, I'm gonna show you one clip from when we got here. Got a quick little 20-minute session. Check it out right here. Look at that little perch. Look at that little beauty. First cast in the San Diego Moonlight Beach. Thanks. Gotta love it. First cast, a little sunset fish. Yeah, one of these guys. These guys are cool. But yeah, that was cool. Got in a quick session before sundown. Had a little sun going down on the beach there. So now I'm here in a little lagoon down here in North San Diego County. And I got a little high tide. Tide's still coming in a little bit, I can see it. But let's try to find maybe some calico or spotties, whatever. Shoot, halibut, still looking for my first halibut, but we're gonna be hitting a few little spots. All right, so see you guys in a second. Start off with a little drop shot with the fishing players. A little fluke here. Like for these rocks. Let's see if we can get them. A little underspin. Yes. Got that grass. Got that grass. God darn it. Come on, let me catch one fish. You got me straight caught. Yeah, sucks. That's a bummer. That's a sand bass too. Oh, he's still there. Still got him. I can see him. What the heck is it stuck on? You can see the fish right there. All right, I got him. Got him. We got one. We got a spotty who is just completely freaking wrapped in the grass. Holy crap. Little dudes fight so hard. They're so fun. Check him out. A little video. Little spotty in the fish on my underspin. Thick stuff. Barely got him out. That's fun right there. Alright. Let's get you out of here, dude. Let's get you out of this stuff. Alright. Sheesh. That was nuts. Check them out. Alright. These guys are so much fun in that grass. Leader. No wonder I was stuck. I was stuck on someone else's line and their swim bait. I got it loose. That's what I was stuck on out there. Whew. That was a fun little fight. So I was got hit on that spotty and it was someone else's line I was caught on the whole time, and I just saw him just sitting there. He just gave up, but I just kept going different angles and finally, you know, got him loose from that line. And then, but just another short session right now. We'll be out here again in a day or so. That was fun. Bright and early, 6 a.m. right at sunrise. The high tide was about an hour and a half ago, so it's, yeah, I can see it outgoing right now actually. So we're gonna try to get at them here nice and early in the morning. It's chilly. All right, let's see what we can do. Try a little drop shot here. Little fish from underspin around this grass. There's a hit, just what I want right there. Oh yeah. Go baby. Go. There's a little beauty. Gosh, love those. On the underspin again. A little fish 'em. Smashed. Right around all this little grass. Awesome. All right, guys. It's fun right there. Nice. Sharp teeth. Oh, they're so sharp. All right. All right, once that sun came out, finally got hit. Just working a couple areas. And obviously, it's just like you would think, little grass and whatever you call it, kelp lines, whatever's out here. Just working them up to that edge and smashed it. Another little spotty. Love catching those guys. They fight so hard. So we're gonna keep working that little either drop shot or underspin right now. See what we do. Bigger. That's a big one. Yeah. Oh. Yes. Nice one. That's PB spotty for me for sure. 100%. Oh yeah. Fat little guy. Heck yeah. Yes, in that grass, baby. That's what they wanted. Yeah, baby. Underspin, fish them. That's got to be my PB. It's like a little over a pound. I'm gonna weigh them. That's fun right there. Heck yeah. Let's go. Oh yeah. Sharp. No whale. Yep. Oh. Just over a pound. That's definitely my PB. Little spotty. Oh, teeth are so sharp. Beautiful fish though. Alright guys. Nice guy. Nice one. Ooh. Definitely my PB so far. All right, another one right up to that grass edge. Just working it. Bam, definitely my PB spotty. First one over a pound for me. Obviously I don't get on this type of fishing too often, but that was awesome. Got 2 now. Just gonna keep working it, see what we can do. All right, that was fun. Fishing 3 days in a row. Starting out with some of those surf perch and then getting on a little spotty action. Quick little trips out, just hour and a half little trips. Busy with the family, but it's always fun getting on some salty bass for sure. But yeah, all right, we'll get out at least once or twice more. Hopefully catch something else. All right, guys, now I'm back on the surf. Got way more time today to do some surf fishing out here. That last one was just like a 20-minute session, but it's been fun. Caught some perch last time I was out here. Obviously you saw, got on some of those spotties. That was cool. So we're gonna hit the surf today. I got a cool spoon. I'm gonna be fishing to start. Surf fishing, another major craft. I'll show you in a second here. And hopefully find something. I would love to catch a halibut, something different, striper or whatever. But I'm okay with the perch. That's all we catch, but. All right, it's a little surf fishing, Jigpara major craft. All right, time for the Carolina rig. The go-to catcher. See if there's any croaker or something here. Anything different. My little Texas rig here. Got my little Berkeley sandworm. I was getting bit a lot last time I was over here at sundown. There you go. There's a little bite. Got one. There's a fish. Let's see here, a perch. Probably a perch, little. Little dude, but actually not too little. I'm gonna flip it off. It's a beautiful one. Yeah, dude. Nice guy. Heck yeah. Big guy. These guys finally came in. Nice size. Surfperch stuff. Started to finally get bit. Bam. Just had to slow down a lot. Cool, dude. So hard to hold. Yeah. A big one. Nice one. On the Berkeley worm. Heck yeah. Come on, guys. Let's get this guy. Go. Nice surfperch. There, dude. He's out. All right, finally a little surf perch. Just had to slow down a little bit. We got some big waves coming in now finally, so I don't know if that means anything, but that's the only difference that I've noticed in the last hour or so. Been fishing about an hour, no bites, but all right. So that sandworm out there again. Let's see if we can get a bit. All right, we're on our last little session here for the surf, a little surf fishing to end it. And I got a little Viking head swim bait, paddle tail, and then just the usual sea rig with the Berkeley sandworm. So try to catch a few for the last session here. Got a little Viking head action. Got one. Second I started moving. I think I got one. came off. Ah, shoot. Almost out of these guys. Little stinky suckers. Smell so bad. No, I don't know if I caught one, but I got a bite. I got one. It's a nice fish too. Yes, let's go, baby. Big one, finally, towards the end. Surf perch, coming up shallow. That's a nice one too. Yeah. All right, guys, sunset surf perch. Heck yeah, baddie too. Look at that guy. That's beautiful right there. Awesome. Awesome. Baddie. To finish off the trip. Down the San Diego. Nice bird. Later, dude. Sunset. He's out. That's going to finish off a fun trip to San Diego. Got out and fished a few times. Sand bass. The spotties are fun. They fight hard, and then got out on the surf for some perch. Beautiful sunset going on behind me here. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.